Oh, I'm checking out this new house that I'm gonna work on. Some overgrown bushes. I could see there's a lot of cracks. You see that? And a lot of worn out, kind of deferred maintenance, I call it. You can kind of see along the wall here. Pretty overgrown, and there's a great view of the water. So let's see if you could see it from upstairs. Okay, this is something really important to notice. Look how these overgrown bushes are blocking the house. There's a whole room back behind here that is being blocked. So it's blocking light, sun, and it's making the house look small. So these really should go. You can see these front doors are so cool. Look at that. But if you look up close, you'll see they're really oxidized from the sun and discolored and scratchy marks on them. Dirty, really dirty. But what a cool door. It's not in great shape, but it is easily repaired, luckily.